Today, we'll walk you through how to create a user with access to the customer portal. Once logged into the platform, users can be added in two ways: directly through the Client section for a specific client, or via the Team section, which manages all platform users. Click on Add to create a new user, then enter essential details like their first and last name. Assign them a username and password for logging in, and provide their phone number and email. Make sure to select the role of portal user. Next, choose the specific client for whom this user is created and click Save. Now we'll log out to show you what the platform experience looks like for portal users. Portal users log in just like any other user, using the credentials provided. Upon logging in, they'll only see reservations related to their company. They can view these bookings either in a calendar format or as a list, and have the option to add new reservations. The booking form is similar to the regular one, but it's shorter. It includes fields for the starting point and destination, vehicle class, and time. Portal users also have access to zone-based pricing, allowing the system to automatically calculate fares. They can view all organization-supported currencies, add stops, passengers, and attachments, just like other users. They can also modify a reservation up to 4 hours before its start time. After the ride completes, changes are no longer permitted. Let's create a sample reservation. This booking will automatically appear on the agency's calendar. If any changes are made to the reservation, the agency will receive an email notification. Switching back to the agency's account, once the agency confirms the reservation and assigns a driver, the portal user will also receive an email notification.